In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to filter data using cell attributes. So I'm going to go to my spreadsheet I've set up. If you're in my classroom, this is the one from the text. And we've got a column. And you need to make sure that you have a column that has conditional formatting set to it. So our conditional formatting has applied this salmon colored or pink cell fill color to cells that have an N or an S in them. So we have all these, and then we have the ones that are empty. So that our cell attribute is the conditional formatting, the color that's been applied to it. So spayed and neutered, that's our column title. We have a little down arrow next to it now. And we're going to select filter by color. And the only color that we have in this column at this point, the only conditional formatting has turned those that contain an N or an S the salmon color. And I'm going to click on that. Now if I select, you'll notice that the ones have kind of disappeared or been hidden that don't have anything in them. So the only ones that still appear are the ones that have the conditional formatting or the salmon colored fill to the cells. And that's all you do to filter on conditional formatting or filter on cell attribute. It's pretty easy. And then when we're done filtering, we just hit clear filter. And the rest come back and they're no longer hidden.